Good morning, everyone. Mm, Myself Atharv Awate from TYA. To, Today, I am going to deliver a presentation of product design and operation management. Today, the topic is determinants of process characteristics. The determinants. It is a factor which decisively affects the nature of something. Determinants of processes are volume, variety, flow, cycle time, storehouse value, process characteristics. Mm, Next one, volume. Volume. It is an average quantity of product produced in any system. Now, high volume production system produces large number of products in a day. For example, in an auto part manufacturing company, it might produce thousands of products of same exact dimension and send it to the automobile factories. Mm, Next, Mm, next is high volume. Here, in high volume manufacturer uses different types of processes to manufacture high output. For example, an assembly line are another high volume manufacturing process where goods are put together part by part by humans or by machine or by combination of two. Each worker and machine has a special task. After the task is complete, they have to pass it to the another worker or another machine until the task is completed. Low volume. Low volume. Uh, Here, the manufacturer produces a small number of products daily. This type of production is good for low scale businesses. The advantages of low volume are space cost is low, low level of inventory, uh, customization in product is possible. Disadvantages: uh, the scales are low and less profit. Next is flow. When the material is under transmission process to get converted into product, it has different flows. Flow shows the rate. Flow show the various stages through which the raw material is going to get converted into a finished product. Mm, Knowledge flow is a vital aspect of production process. More the volume is the variety, both influence the flow. Batch process. Batch process. The example of batch flow process is manufacturing of garments, of furniture, and air travel, etc. Flow are higher because same or similar products or services are provided repeatedly. A narrow range or a short range of products or services are provided. Some of the components may be produced in advance for the final product or service. Line flow process. This process follows make to stock strategy. Here, the standard product is held in an inventory so that they are ready when a customer places an order. Sometimes this even is called as mass production. The placing of product may be either machine placed or worker placed. The example of a product produced in line flow process mm, uh, are computers toys, fast food hotels, and automobile and appliances. Continuous flow process. The perfect example for continuous flow process is a petroleum refinery, a chemical plant, or a food item being processed. It is also referred as process inventory. A continuous process is, is on the extreme end on high volume. Standard production with rigid line flow. This process often is capital intensive and operated around the clock, that is 24/7, to maximize the utilization and to avoid expensive shutdowns. Alrighty. So, watchmaking company Titan manufactures 40,000 plus variants of watch. For example, Telcom manufactures various variety of Tata Indica cars. More the variety, more will be the alternative production resource and materials, skilled workers, and increased number of stages in the production. Cycle time. Cycle time, it is the total time taken to transform one unit of input into one unit of output. This is the total time, not just the process time. For example, it may take 2 minutes to actually approve an expensive report and have the computer automatically generate the payment. But it may take a week to get someone to look at your expenses report. In this example, the process time is 2 minutes, but the cycle time is of 1 week. Now, next is effectiveness. Here, uh, here, how well the the process meets the target for cost, time, quality is checked. For an example, a five-star hotel may have higher quality met than a fast food restaurant. So the performance target for two different types of restaurants will be different, but however, the type of hotel may be have similar target, that is 99% customer satisfaction. Next, storehouse of value. हाँ, every process either creates or destroys the value. An account payable system that is under discount due to late processing or that does not catches double billing would destroy the value. When an account payable process that catches the double billing and takes proper discount would create value for organization. Likewise, two two improvement process may cost the same. However, one process may be increase revenue, revenue more, or reduce expenses more, or increase the customer satisfaction more, and thus increase the revenue. Next, process value creation. Process value creation must be measured either in life cycle and it is achieved by achieving achieving the target outcome, rapidly creating positive cash flow, minimizing process variation, right sizing, assigning process capacity to customer required. references are from our chapter number 2 and from value creation group for that. Thank you, sir.